In Manchester, people across several communities are still trying to get back to some level of normalcy, but more issues are becoming apparent. Ramada Lyons was in the parish and filed this report.
It's a disaster. This is a destruction from the land, God.
A family still unable to fathom the destruction in Alligator Pond. Hurricane Beryl relegated to a toddler. The struggle on the ground. Let's look from a bird's view. These houses are still standing, but how many more systems can they take? This point used to be lined with luscious palm trees, but most of the palm trees will now be palmed by men in an effort to clear debris. They have fallen in a fight against Melissa. The sea, closer than it has ever been, and with strong winds and rain like we've seen from Melissa, it threatens to take other properties as well. Board and zinc scattered. Rooftops in an unvolunteered game of hide and seek. Windows smashed. Concrete broken apart.
A lot of grape tree was on the beach. The sea did their way back. The boat them push up on the front part. And as you can see, not even to step, me can step off a banking now. So we tear off.
She says she's lucky. The community went from anticipating to panicking.
Meanwhile, watching it, everybody afraid. Everybody afraid. But we still a watch. So when Mrs. said the banking is breaking more and more, well, everybody kind of get panic. We gonna start pack 1, 2, or 3 bags for run with them kids. Take down some juice and biscuit and stuff where you know you can run with the baby.
Now, acceptance that it could have been worse. Many are asking why residents didn't heed evacuation warnings. Well, she says during the last system, they were at a shelter, and they were more exposed to the storm. And when they returned home, they saw minimal damage to their properties.
Well, we never saw it, but we heard that bus came to escort people to higher ground. But the last time we went and moved left our little place, well, when I tear down, you understand? So everybody was shocked this time because we never experienced such a disaster like this.
Even farther from the sea, damage. The school sign symbolic of the actual school, Alligator Pond Primary and Infant, completely flooded. Not just one section, but across the entire property. Trees impeding traffic, almost at every turn. Downed poles leaving many diverting or squeezing through corners. The pre-existing conditions of some roadways making transport a lot worse. It's a team effort to clear a roadway in Spur Tree, not for themselves, but for motorists. And while his neighbors battled rain, this man battled a fire.
I was fast asleep when my wife wake me that she sensing smoke, and I said, how? And she went outside only to see from the other apartment fire. That's when I got up and went there and started to out the fire when we couldn't get anywhere. We waited until the firefighters came and outed the fire.
This man ran as floodwaters chased him. The only thing he could save was his cow. If you could describe the damage with one word, what is that word?
It can't describe. The damage can't describe. You have boat, man, and run for the cow and cow go up there, so, man, master, boy, I tell you. The first part of the rain, me down here the first part. You see the second part, me come, me that drown, but me couldn't make it. Me couldn't make it, man. But me that drown down here, man. Me that drown. Yeah, look at them house, be a mud over the whole place, man. Oh, God, man, me need help, man, me need help.
Ramada Lyons, TVJ News.